we stand and fight, and north ignite. The world is cold. We stand surrounded. We are not alone.
Hello guys, welcome to my second vlog and second video. So guys, guess what today we are making? Guess? Okay, let me tell you what today we are making. Today we are making chicken cheese tikki. So I love this chicken cheese tikki. So I will tell the ingredients. 50 to 20 grams chicken, coriander leaves, coriander dry leaves. Then we have to take turmeric, chilli powder, black pepper powder, um, cornflour, and 5 to 6 braids, and origami, chili flakes, 2 lemons, 2 Amul cheese. So let's start the video, and please don't skip the video. You will love it very nicely. And I have to tell that to chicken we have to grind in mixer, so it will be get paste, so it will be very nice to eat. So after grinding the chicken I will come back. Thank you guys. See, like this chicken we have to grind in mixer. Okay, so now we will take one bowl. Okay, one bowl, and we will put this chicken on this, and we will put a little bit salt. Okay, little bit only salt, and after that we will put little bit black powder, black pepper. Okay, then little bit red chili powder, then little bit turmeric. Then we have to put red chili flakes. Okay, red chili flakes, little bit only, and little bit origami. After that we have to take this dry coriander leaves, and little bit, okay, this much is okay, and we have to rub like this, so taste will go in that chicken. Okay, after that we have to peel one lemon in the chicken. Okay, let me cut the lemon. See, lemon has been cut. One full lemon we have to peel in that. Okay, after peeling the lemon or limbu, whatever you want you can take, we will mix it properly. Okay, and please believe me, it is such a nice dish that you will love very much. Okay, what a smell. Please, I will recommend you that please try this at your home. Okay, you will love like this. And so after mixing all spices, masala, we will keep this chicken aside in a one bowl, and in this only we have to mix the corn flour. Okay, now in this we have to mix corn flour, whole corn flour in this only, and after that take little bit red chili powder, 1 spoon, and little bit black powder, this much only, not more than this, and little bit salt as per taste. Okay, and after this we have to make the fine paste, so it will be look like not yummy. Yes, it will look like yummy. after this we have to put water in this. Okay, so now we have to put little bit water in this. It will be like very nicely. And this is the cornflour, so I will recommend you that you have to mix this properly, and there should not be any like crumbs and whatever. See, and please check the salt is proper or not, or spices are proper or not. If you want, you can put more corn flour. Okay, so now our paste is also ready. We will keep aside. Okay, after that we have to cut the bread. I will show how to cut the braids, okay, in shape. So wait, I will keep aside and I will come back. So guys, now we have to cut bread. So we will take one bread and one glass but sharp knife. Okay, take the sharp glass. So we will do like this only. So like this all braids will come out, and we have to not throw this. Okay, we have to keep it. Afterward we have very big work of this piece. Okay, so we have to cut all braids like this only. Okay, understand? So wait. So now we have cutted this braid like this. See, it is looking so nice. Okay, oh, my glove has been done, leave it. So it is looking so nice. See, so I have told to don't throw this. Okay, so from this only we are making bread crumbs. So now we will roast in or fry on pan. I have air fryer, so I will fry on air fryer. Okay, after frying this I will come back and I will show. It should be get golden brown. Okay, little bit harder, so that bread crumb will be nice. Okay, so let me fry this and I will come back. Hello guys, so now I have roasted my all breads like this. You can listen the voice. Okay, you have to roast like this only. Okay, now we will grind the breads in mixer. Okay, and sorry, I have removed the gloves because you have seen that my gloves has been damaged, so I have removed. Sorry for that. Okay, after grinding this I will come back. Okay, so now I have grind the breads like this. Okay, you have to do same. Okay, so now we will use this, but before that you remember we have cutted this. So now we will take our chicken. No, before that we have to cut our cheese cube. Okay, so we will open this. Okay, we will open this, so it will be nice, and I hope that you are loving my video. So please subscribe my channel and share the video and press the bell icon. I hope you will love me a lot. Okay, so now we have cutted our open the cheese. So now we will cut this cheese in 4 pieces like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4, total 8 pieces we have to do. Okay, so now we will keep this cheese aside and we will take the bread, and we have to take our chicken like this and we have to put like this. Okay, little bit, and we will take 1 cheese cube and put in between and press it little, and we will take a cover of 1 bread and we will just do the like this, and we will pack it like this and press it. Okay, we have to do all like this only. Okay, so guys, now I have done this bread. Okay, like this. Now we will do the oil heat. Okay, so now we will do the oil heat. So after that we will put this bread in that, then that, and we will fry in oil. Okay, so I am putting the oil on gas. Okay, after putting oil on gas, and oil should get heat very properly for frying this. Okay, so let me keep the oil to heat. So after that I will come back after oil get heat. Oops, so we will like this dish. Okay, let me come back. So guys, now our all thing has been ready, oil also has gotten heat. So now we will dip this in our that mixture. Okay, like this, 1 2 3, and we will put this in bread. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 6 7 8 and 9 and 10, and after this we will put this in oil. Okay, and we have to do like this only, and please enjoy the time lapse. Thank you. So guys, our tikki is ready properly, and I have told that enjoy the time lapse, but some technical issue was that, so our time lapse video has been not removed properly. That's why I have not put in that clip. So now we will do plating. Okay, so we will keep aside and we will take a new plate. Okay, and we will keep our tikkis like this in a plate, and we will put some onions, chop onions like this aside. Okay, and we will cut lemon in design. Okay, so now like this we have to cut very properly, and please be safe while cutting this. And we will keep 1 2 limbus here, and after that we will take little bits mayonnaise and sauce. So let me take that. So now our plating has been done, and now we will put little bit coriander, chop coriander on the tikkis. Okay, so we will check how is the tikki. Hope so it should be cheesy. See, oh, hope so you love this tikki, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and thank you for watching my video, and love you all.